Let's type here some text to create an image from the AI. Now we can type here anything like monkey playing cricket. Now we can write it. We can click here. Let me clear my console. Now I will click on this generate image. It will be calling this API behind the scene. And here you can see in user input, we have monkey playing cricket. Now let's wait for the response from the API. It will take some time. And here we have got some response from the API, which is success. And we have got the URL from our OpenAI. And you will see after some time, the image have been displayed here and monkey is playing some cricket here. So this is an image which is created by AI. So here we can again write some more text, something like Messi winning FIFA. And I can ask my AI to generate some images for me. And I will click on this generate image. So it is calling this API behind the scene with the data which I have written. And here you will see now it is waiting for response from my server, Python server. It have got the response. Now it is waiting for the response from our OpenAI server. And after some time, you will see the image have been displayed here. So it is working good. We can write here anything. Now I can write here some text. So something like dog reading novel. And then I can click on this button. So this is how it works. So thank you.